Ukanrat kongkal sangma ulong baka kanhun menteri kalai kejing Mynjur ban penbet renti ya kerukom kentio Kyrdan hapo jangka Meghalaya Civil Service Rules kat kendai sepanjang pusan. Daga batau kisau teli ki pos ne Kyrdan Special Secretary ban kentio kami ki officer MCS ka jela. Ulong baling baka ne kesenjam kan tau kilat ban kentio Kyrdan ki officer MCS ban ke Sorkar ke Mynjur ban tau ya sau teli ki pos ke batamai jangki Special Secretary ban kentio Kyrdan ya ki officer MCS. Namara kejing syakri jongki ya kam kemla ban pelat ke Kyrdan kum ki clear jong katenat ne head of department. Ukarat kongkal sangma ulong baka jing syame kene karai ke deiru kejing pun urlong ya kejing dawa ke belas slam jong ke MCS Association.
Basically, as you are aware that we have a large number of MCS officers, and the scope of promotion for these officers is sometimes limited. Some of them make it to the promoted as IAS, depending on the vacancies that are there. But most of them are not able to, and their cutoff happens at the level of HOD. And so, in order to provide another level, which is going to be level 22 in the pay scale, the government today and the cabinet today has taken the decision that we are creating 4 posts of special secretary. And this will allow the promotion to be given to our MCS officers and will enhance, as I said, their overall position. And it's one of the points that was mentioned in certain memorandums that have been given to the government a couple of times by the MCS association. And slowly and steadily, we are looking at how we can promote and support our officers and give them different opportunities. So keeping that in mind, this particular rationalization of the promotional hierarchy of the Meghalaya Civil Service, creation of 4 posts of Special Secretary and amendment of the Meghalaya Civil Service Rule 1975 was taken up today in the Cabinet, and it was cleared by the Cabinet.